Section 2 of the girls 400 sophomore. Jenna Colucci of St. John the Baptist, lane 1. Emily Cooper, Ridley, lane 2. Kelly James, Port Richmond, lane 3. Grace Brown, Kellenberg, lane 4. Nia Myers, Port Richmond, lane 5. Ashley Omoreggi of St. John Vianney was lane 6. Now we have everything but lane 6, the last named runner. And they are off and running and moving well in lane 4. Looks like Kelly James of Port Richmond. Sorry, no, that's lane 3. Yeah, same lane 3, Kelly James. But coming down, Nia Myers of Port Richmond. So Nia Myers and Kelly James of Port Richmond going 1-2 at this point. Nia Myers, Port Richmond. Kelly James will take second. Nia Myers hits around 101. Kelly James